So at this point, we are done with this project. So I'm going to make sure I've saved everything. And I'm going to go out and I'm going to copy the git ignore and git attribute files that I know I put in here. So I'm just going to click, Control C to copy. Go back into my repos here. Here's MVC employees. And I'm just going to right click down here and paste. Okay, so that gets them in my project so that when I upload it, it includes the bin. And it'll also display it correctly. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead, add this to GitHub. I'm going to publish. And let's see, because this is an assignment for you guys, sorry, this is going to be private. And I'm just going to give it a little description. And I'm going to hit publish. And it says it was successful, so I'm just going to run out to GitHub and make sure it's there. Not that I don't trust Visual Studio. So here are the repositories. You can see I've got the employees, C#, and my bin is here as well.